So I hear weird stuff out on my outside. Look
oh my
at,
gosh, Craig.
look.
It must be the young man. You need to go out there.
This is
I
awesome.
know what it was.
Outside my front, just hear a weird thing. I'm like, what's going on? What the hell am I going on? Hey! This rules! Look at this! This is unbelievable! This rules! Sorry!
We get everybody.
Get it shredded!
The whole street comes here.
That rules! No, seriously, like, right there was like a vortex. Like, all the debris from everything. I've sat and watched it just go. This rules.
You guys want to stay to your leaf springs, will you?
Yeah, we're there. I know you can jump in them. This rules. Hey, this is when people love you. Your neighborhood does this. This is awesome. Thank you, neighborhood. Is your neighborhood like this? See? Unannounced. People just come clean up your leaves by the time. The rules. I just heard, and I'm like, what the hell is that sound outside? Come outside, this. Unbelievable. It's all Jesus. This rules. This happened just spontaneously in your front yard, or you sitting in your house and you're like, what the hell? You go out in front, and then this is in your front yard. Even more help is showing up. Ah, yeah. Oh, badass. There, more help. This rules. There, help is just showing up for do my leave. This was unannounced, not called for. I was inside, I just heard, like, what the hell's that sound? Just come outside, this rules. And then backup just shows up, more backup. And I don't know any of these people. I honestly don't know any of these people at all. Look, people are showing up with rakes. Oh, boy, over here, look. Hello! Welcome to the leaf party. Since I was inside, I was just watching TV and I heard, I was like, what the hell's that sound? Go look out my front window, yes. And I don't know any of these people, honestly. And backup is showing up. You guys rule! This is so awesome. This is so dope. This happened to you? Is this like your neighborhood? You guys rule. But leaves are fun.
I might jump in them after.
Then you better hurry, they're gonna run out.
I did in the other one, so.
There we got does a bag of that game. Look at all this. I don't know any of these people, dude. Honestly, I don't know any of these people. I just heard sounds outside. And now look at this. All my leaves are taken care of. This is unbelievable, guys. You guys rule. Now I don't have to build my leaves. That's rules. Dude, I don't know any of these people, honestly. I was inside and I heard. I was like, what the heck? Go look out my window. Yes. And I don't know any of these people. Thank you, you guys all rule. So dope. Is your neighborhood like this? Oh, you complain about your neighbor. Well, if your neighbor guys helped each other instead of destroyed each other. Like, I didn't ask for any of this. I don't even know any of these people. I don't even know any of these kids. Oh, there you go. Look, and they actually want to do it because they have a soul. Did you witness? Help showed up. People. I don't even know any of these people, dude. I had a lot of leaves though. Inside there's I was like, what the heck is that sound? So look out my front door, it is. Is this your neighborhood? You just hear a noise when you're like sitting on the couch, come out, then this. And now you don't have any leaves. And I had so many leaves. Oh, 47. 47 right now. So cool, dude. I'm coming around this side. Let's see what's going on in the sky. Look at all this. Look at this shit. They just showed up in force to get rid of my leaves. All these people, I don't know any of these people, dude. I was inside, I was like, what is that sound? Come out, all these people, and you witnessed while I was recording, Jeep showed up. Thank you. Let's back up, put on spotlight. Now, this is how a neighborhood is supposed to be. You don't tell me how to live, okay? Look, they want to do it. They're not being forced to do it. Kids actually doing it. Not on a device. Oh. So awesome. I had so many leaves in this stupid tree. Now I have none. Dude, wow, this is amazing, dude. That's amazing. Done. That was awesome. That's awesome. True or false? See, I have a KINDABUGZ yard.